Welcome to the Field of Trucks of Snap Series 89. There are no reserve trucks this time, so it doesn't matter because we're not doing another whole team thing. So let's get right into the Field of Trucks. Grinder, Hot Wheels Delivery, Vet King, SpongeBob, Pastrana 199, Slinger, Grandma Gravedigger, Sting, the Creature's Gravedigger, Mohawk Warrior, purple, Crazy Train, Sriracha, Ice Gravedigger, Hot Wheels 50th Anniversary. That's the car version. I don't know if I put the truck version in here. Did I? Let me check that real quick. No, I didn't. So if you want that Hot Wheels, just come at Hot Wheels 50th. Blue Thunder, Prowler, Mystery Machine, Bone Shaker Spectra Flames, World Finals, Clydesdale, Scooby-Doo, Fire Son of a Digger, Invader, Anger Management, Gravedigger 25th, Soldier Fortune, Black Avenger, Small Hub Avenger, Mario, somebody's here, there's my dog, Yoshi, 32 Degrees, and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. That's the Field of Trucks for Sign Up Series 89. The series will be today, tomorrow, so yeah, bye.